now is actually do an entire theater wave from this side to this side. So on my mark, go ahead and start in the back and in the front. Ready?
Oh.
Ready? Ready?
Ready!
Ready! 1, 2, 3! Bring it back! 1, 2, 3!
Alright, that's good.
Put on a show!
Yeah! You taste great.
Alright, real quick, while we're waiting for the movie to start, I got a little game for you. It's going to really test your hand-eye coordination. It's actually really, really entertaining. When I cross my hands like this, I want you all to clap, okay? Ready? Real quick try. Good, good. Try again. One more time. Ready? Wow. Alright, try again. Ready?
Oh, shit.
Okay, cross, come on. Watch the movie if you're not paying attention. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump the gun. Well, it looks like our projectionist is getting ready, so enjoy the movie, folks.
Sitting there with their fingers up their butt. No, they're already done watching it. I know. But keep in mind that means we're going to miss traffic by like 15 minutes, so that's okay. No, we don't have sound. That's great. Oh, there.
Someone I want to see. Sherlock Holmes.